Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful tags using metal dies, paper, and embellishments from Graphic 45. You'll find links to my blog and to the Graphic 45 supplies that you see in this video in the description area below. You'll also find a full supply list along with pictures in my blog. We'll be using the clock die from the Graphic 45 square tag and clock dies and the tag die from the Graphic 45 regular tag and gears die set. Our tag inserts are made with the Graphic 45 A Lady's Diary collection. We'll use coordinating cardstock for our frame and a Graphic 45 regular tag in ivory. We die cut 2 coordinating inserts and trim the tops off at 2 inches. We trim our frame die cut in half, then snip off any extra flourishes that may show after our inserts are glued down. We want to place our topper right along the edge of our tag. This will give it that tiara effect. We then glue down our coordinating inserts. Now we're ready to embellish our tags. We use our chipboard pieces from the Graphic 45 A Lady's Diary Deluxe Collection, and we use the Clear Snap Graphic 45 Antiquing ink in dark cashmere to ink around the edges. Glue down your chipboard frame and use pop dots for a dimensional insert. Now here's a neat idea. We're going to make a flower pot using one of the Graphic 45 antique brass door pulls. Now here's a tip. I have found that the Artist Glitter Glue works best when adhering metal to paper. If you use hot glue, chances are that this piece will eventually fall off. It only takes a couple of minutes for the glue to dry. Once it's dry, we're ready to add our Graphic 45 flower embellishments. And that's pretty much it, my friends. These Graphic 45 tags are so beautiful and so super easy to make that you're going to want to make more than just one. I hope that I've inspired you to create your very own Graphic 45 embellished tags. Let me know how you like these in the comment section below, because I just love interacting with you all. And a thumbs up is always appreciated, as it encourages me to continue to bring you more paper crafting tutorials and project shares. Until next time, happy crafting! Bye now.